Hey guys, welcome to Saanvi's Clubhouse. Today we're going to learn about Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, and West Virginia. Michigan's capital is Lansing. Michigan is the only state that has a floating post office. Next we're going to learn about Indiana. Indiana's capital is Indianapolis. Everyone knows that Indiana is famous for its corn crop, but the world's largest Christmas tree can be found in Indianapolis. Wow! Can you imagine how big it is? Now let's learn about Ohio. Ohio's capital is Columbus. James Ritchie from Ohio invented cash register in 1878. Now let's learn about West Virginia. West Virginia capital is Charleston. West Virginia is known for its Civil War history. Here is West Virginia in the middle of the East Coast. It is considered as southernmost northern state and northernmost southern state. It's like north is south and south is north. How crazy is that? That's all for today. Please do subscribe. Bye-bye.